This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Paul Davis Property Restoration Experts.
Well, if you've been looking around your home, especially your kitchen area, you know, the space where everybody gathers, and you're thinking, it's not quite where I want it to be. Well, we've got some folks that can change that. Our friends at Paul Davis Restoration of Delmarva. We're chilling with Kevin Lynam today. And
hello.
This kitchen is one where you guys gave it the magic touch. You guys always have a contest that goes on annually, and one lucky winner on Delmarva is usually gifted a new kitchen. So
Absolutely.
Tell me a little bit about the contest and why you guys do it in the first place.
So first and foremost, we're blessed to help a lot of families every year on the Delmarva Peninsula, whether it be a kitchen restoration, kitchen remodeling, additions, decks. We're able to help homeowners through a variety of very cool property improvements. Annually, we do a $15,000 giveaway, and one lucky winner on Delmarva gets to win a beautifully new refaced kitchen. Yes. For the Pusey family, we were able to work with them on refacing all their kitchen cabinets and doors. Originally, this kitchen had what we call like a gun stock oak cabinet. Mm-hmm. And then effectively what my team came in and did is we put brand new doors, brand new hardware. We completely clad the fronts and sides of the cabinet. The product comes in a sheet good laminate that's 4x8. So effectively we can open that cabinet, we can put that laminate right to the edge. Mm-hmm. And then what we're also able to do, we can work with the homeowner to update things like countertops, backsplashes. A lot of times the homeowner will take advantage of a kitchen remodel to maybe introduce some new appliances. Sure. So generally the way that process works is we can kind of spearhead that and quarterback the installation of the new appliances as we remodel their kitchen.
I know for homeowners too, when there is a remodel really of any kind, the first thing that they probably start thinking of is, oh, this is going to be a little inconvenient, isn't it? But you guys really do a good job of trying to make it as convenient as possible for homeowners.
Absolutely. So for Miss Connie, what that meant is we had to pack up the kitchen, right? It's not ideal during a remodel to have to pack everything you own. The good news is we were able to supply her with some Paul Davis boxes. We were able to kind of make that lift a little bit easy for the homeowner.
For Connie, the simple kitchen upgrades were everything she wanted.
Because I liked the layout of how my kitchen is. And my cabinets were original from the house when it was built in 1987, so I wanted to brighten it up. And they came, they measured, they did an awesome job. I can't say enough nice things about Paul Davis. The guys here were really, really nice, very professional, and it turned out better than I thought it was going to. It's just so nice. It's a whole new kitchen to me. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything better than what I have right now.
So if somebody is looking around their own kitchen now and they're thinking, a little update here and there, a little remodel could be just what we need, the contest is now open for folks.
The contest is live right now. Basically, you can register to win at our home shows that we participate in. You can also go to www.pdr.com and register there as well.
Perfect. Sounds like a plan to me. Well, Kevin, it's always a pleasure to chat with you guys, and it's always nice to see all the hard work that you guys do and see it all kind of come together and make for one happy customer.
Always a pleasure, Leah. Thanks for having us.
Of course, but we've got some more Coast Life for you. We'll give you a little minute to check out pdrdelmarva.com and check out that contest and those details, but we got more Coast Life coming your way when we get back.